Welcome back. Ashley Metzger is with the Desert Water Agency. Today we are talking about it's a pilot test program. It's being used to read people's water meters in the Desert Water Agency district. Thanks for being here with us.
Glad to be here. So this is an exciting program. We just started this month, and we selected a few different homes, businesses, homeowners associations, different types and sizes of meters, and we wanted to give them a little extra capacity. So what a normal water meter does is it's kind of like an odometer for your water use.
Yeah, just kind of
it
counts away.
It counts, and then each month we send someone out to go check it, and sometimes that's done manually. A lot of times in our service area it's done by radio signal, so someone drives by and picks up a signal.
Okay.
These smart meters are done with cellular data. So we add a little device on top of the meter, and then the water agency and the customer can, from their phone, from their computer, anywhere where there's internet, look at their water use and take it down to the hour level so they can see if something spiked, and it may help them really figure out why things are happening with their water usage.
You can see exactly when and how much water you're using, and throughout the day you can go, oh gee, we're using more than we thought.
Yes, it's also really helpful because you can set up notifications. So if you see that your average high use during the day is at, let's say, 10, and you can set an alert so that if it goes up above that, you get a notification, and that's really helpful because you may have a busted sprinkler head, you may have a leak. So it allows you to be a little bit more proactive than waiting until the very end of the month when you get your bill.
Yeah, I had a broken pipe about a year ago, and it went for about a half hour before we realized there was water coming around the back porch. But that was a half hour of water that was just flowing away. So
well, and luckily you were at home and in town, because for some people it's very difficult. They leave town for months at a time, and no one wants to come home to that kind of a situation.
Yeah, what's the long-term plan for this? Are we going to roll this out for everyone eventually, or is this just a kind of a niche thing?
Well, we're testing it now to see A, what the possibilities are, how the agency might embrace this technology in the future, and B, how our customers respond to it, because if it really doesn't move the dial on helping people save water, then it may not be worth that investment. Yeah,
but certainly an interesting program, and shows you the difference that technology can make when it comes to, well, even saving water, because technically Northern California kind of out of drought. We're still in drought in Southern California.
Yes, still in drought in Southern California. We are still looking for ways to save water. It's not to say that we don't have a solid water supply here, but we always want to be cognizant of water use. We are in a desert.
Yeah, one other program that's helping accomplish that. Thanks for being here with us today, Ashley. Top stories are coming up next. You're watching the Desert's News Leader. Stay tuned.